Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So now let's move on to deleting a expense here. All right. So for that, we need to create a route. So let's go here. Let me just take this off right here. So very easily, we're going to create a route here real quick. And we're going to call it delete, of course. There we go, delete. And we're gonna make sure that we get some type of ID, right? So we'll get an expense here, ID. And yeah, the expense ID, will close this in. We make sure the methods, it's post. So let's go and say methods post. Right there, okay? Simple as that. Let's go ahead and create this, and we're gonna get this right here. Boom. All right. So we'll get this expense. Let's query our database. And let's access 404. Perfect. Now let's access the DB session and we'll delete it. Just as simple as that. Let's make sure we pass that in. Let's access the session again to make sure that we commit this. Boom. And let's flash this. So as you can see, things are getting a little bit faster now since we are a little bit more knowledgeable, right? Well, if you are not that knowledgeable and things look really weird here, make sure that you go and take my crash course on Flask, all right? Because this should be very easy for you guys now. So we're gonna pass in the second option here so we can, of course, flash the right type of message. Or should I say color, right? We're gonna redirect to the index page. Just like that. All right. Now let's go back into the template here and let's see where we can find this guy, right? So let's look for that mount so that way we can find that block somewhere. So alrighty, it looks like this block here is where we add the expense. We got to look in the table actually. And you can see the table here. So what I'm gonna do, let me see if I already have that. Yeah, it's there. So that button should be right here. What I want is actually a form here. So I'm gonna encapsulate this button in a form. Right here and right here. Okay, so the action, of course, we already know what we want in the action, right? Let's do URL for, and that's going to be delete. Let me go back in here. Let me make sure. Yeah, that's called delete. And what I want to do is I want to pass the expense, right? So let's, I forgot what we called it. I think it's expense ID, right? That's what we're calling it. Expense ID. And we're going to pass in the ID that we are looping through. Let me see. Yeah, we are using the E there. Okay. So once we have that, and make sure the method here is post, and also make sure what we can do here in this is, yeah, it should work 100%. Let me attach this other attribute here on the form itself. So I'm going to attach onSubmit right here, okay? And I want to put some JavaScript here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to return this confirm function. And I'm going to say, are you sure you want to delete? Like this. All right, so let's see. Let's refresh. Let's click on this button and you can see it says, are you sure you want to delete? Let's see if that deletes that. So we're going to delete this duplicate description expense here. Click and it looks like it deleted everything. Really, really cool stuff. All right. So yeah, it works. And we got the notification here, which is really awesome, really easy. So let me go back here so that way you guys can see it. Just in case you guys make any mistakes, you can see the code right here. And then you can see this other code right here as well. All right. All right, perfect. We done it. I'll see you guys on the next lecture. Really good job if you were able to keep up with me. And I'll see you on the next one, all right?